Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to see a very easy and simple recipe. This is a sweet dish which has only 3 ingredients in it. Yes, you heard me right, just 3 ingredients. This is nothing but a besan laddu in Konkani style. So let's see how to make this recipe, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from us. To make this besan undo, we need 1 cup of gram flour or besan, 3/4 cup of sugar or more according to taste, and 3/4 cup of ghee. Firstly, we are going to powder the sugar using a mixer. Once the sugar is ready, we are going to preheat a kadai and dry roast the besan or gram flour. We are going to cook everything in medium flame so that it doesn't get burnt, and we are going to keep mixing it so it gets cooked evenly. Once the besan gets aromatic, we can stop the cooking process. Switch off the flame and add the powdered sugar and mix well. Add the powdered sugar in batches so that we are able to mix it evenly. Once the sugar is mixed evenly, add the ghee. Here I have used homemade ghee. If you want to learn how to make homemade ghee, the link is there in the description box. Once the ghee is added and mixed well, we are going to let the mixture cool down for some time. When the mixture is warm, we are going to take small portion and make laddus out of it. Your besan undo is ready. Hope you like this video. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.